Hello, grade 5. You know that we are going through a very difficult time in our country, and we are at home since 1 week, but that doesn't mean that we cannot study. We were supposed to take our second biweekly worksheet. That's why I put it already on the drive. I advise you to practice the questions, then go back to this video and watch the answers. First of all, let us remember together what are the important concepts that we already discussed in the last 2 weeks. First of all, we learned a trick how to check if a number is divisible by 4, and we said that you have to look at the ones and the tens together. They should form a multiple of 4. We also introduced an angle, and we said that an angle is a geometric shape formed between two intersecting lines. An angle could be null, acute, right, obtuse, or straight, and an angle is measured using a protractor. Starting by the first question, I have to check if the following numbers are divisible by 4. 40, it's already divisible by 4 because 4 times 10 is 40. 305 is not divisible by 5 because the ones and the tens together, they don't form a multiple of 4. And so on for all the numbers, so I will get 64 and 544 as multiples of 4. In this question, I have to find the missing numbers in each box so that for the first case, the number would be divisible by 4. So this is very easy. What can you put in this box so it will become divisible by 4? You can put 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 because 4, 24, 44, 64, and 84 are all divisible by 4. For the second part, find the missing number so that this number is divisible by 3 and 4 at the same time. So you should add the digits. 5 plus 1 is already 6. Okay? So, all the numbers that you can add, 3, 6, or 9. Okay? Because if you add 3, it will remain divisible by 3. Can I put here 3? No, because in this case, it wouldn't be divisible by 4. Can I put 6? Yes. I can put 6. And 0. Those are the two possibilities that I can put, either 0 or 6. If you put 9, the number wouldn't be divisible by 4 in this case. Okay? And the third one, I need this number to be divisible by 3 and 4 at the same time, but I have 2 empty boxes. I will add the digits. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6 is already 9, and it's divisible by 3. So I can put for the first time inside this box a 0. And let us add 3. So I will get 3 here. Or I can put 1, 0, 3, 2, 3, 6. So you might get a lot of possibilities in such questions. In this question, I have to name the angles, indicate their arms and their vertex. For the first one, the vertex is O. The arms are OC and OD, and the name of the angle is COD. Don't forget that you have to put the vertex in the middle with a hat above. For the second angle, the vertex is S. The arms are ST and SR, and the name of the angle is RST or TSR. Both of them are correct as much as you put the vertex in the middle. For the third one, the vertex is P. The arms are PM and PR, and the name of the angle is MPR. In this exercise, we are going to mark the angle, then classify its kind. For the first one, this is the angle, and it's obtuse. The second one is right. The third one is obtuse. The fourth one is acute. The fifth one is also acute, and the sixth one is obtuse. In this question, we are going to measure the angles, then classify their kind. And don't forget that you have to use a protractor. There are two restrictions that you have to do in order to measure the angle in a correct way. The center of the protractor should be on the vertex, and one of the lines should be on the zero of the protractor. Then you look at the line where it's located, so it's located at 50, so the measure of the angle is 50 and it's acute. The same thing we are going to do on the second one. Don't forget that the center of the protractor should be on the vertex and one of the arms should be on the zero line of the protractor, and you check that the second line where it's located, you start counting from the zero until you reach this line, so the measure of the angle is 25 and it's also acute. In this question, we are going to draw an angle. In the first case, it's an acute angle, so it's very easy. Just draw the first line and the second line. This is an acute angle. An obtuse angle which is greater than 90 and less than 180, and this is an obtuse angle. Now I need to construct an angle which is 45 degrees. The first step, you have to draw a line, put it protracted, locate the point 45 and draw the line on the located point. The same thing in the second one, but this is 90 and you know that 90 forms a right angle, so it's very easy for you to draw this angle.